Discover Rhino Press Brakes, precision bending without the premium price tag. Mantech's affordable press brakes are engineered for accuracy, reliability, and ease of use, built to deliver consistent results shift after shift. Set, save, and bend with the Delem DA-41T touchscreen controller. Program complex jobs in moments and store up to 100 programs with up to 25 steps each for repeatable, right first-time results. A motorized backgauge with tiltable finger stops, precision depth stops, and a balanced torsion bar system keep every bend consistent, part after part. From compact 1.5 meter machines to 5 meter workhorses with 40 to 400 ton capacities, there's a Mantech press brake for every shop and every job. Arrives ready to work with Euro-style tooling, including segmented options, plus hands-free foot pedal control to keep production flowing. Backed by UK-based engineers, commissioning, and a 12-month UK parts and labour warranty, you're supported from install to first production and beyond. Ready to bend more, waste less, and grow faster? Get a quick quote today.